painting, to get all this pigmented paint out of my paintbrush, I put it under, I'd say very lukewarm water, I suppose. And I've been using my Scrubby brush, my Scrubby soap to clean the paint out. And this soap is awesome. I have to say, I've been loving it to clean my brushes. There's a brush on, like a spongy brush on one side and then the soap on the other. But the sponge kind of goes all the way through, and it's just phenomenal to keep your brushes really nice and clean and in really good shape. And it smells beautiful as well.